Good to see you again. Loobin nawa ng Diyos, this is our first of 468 flag ceremony. Marami pa tayong pagsasamahan, but nowadays I think hindi naman kaila sa inyo na medyo very challenging ang City of Manila. NTPB. Nagtulong-tulong na po lahat. Utilizing whatever is left, maximizing and utilizing it properly. At siyempre, maraming salamat, Lionel Waste Management. I hope to the next leaders of this city, always be reminded of our history. In 1992, in 2019, ang basura ay issue ng mayaman, middle class at mahirap. Hindi po to sabayang bigkas. This time, tutultungan natin to. I will hear you. I will listen to you. And I will follow your decision. Taas ang kamay. Tandaan ninyo ha, pag-isipan nyo maigi. This is it. Taas ang kamay na gustong 7 to 4. Okay. Bigyan naman natin ng chance yung bandang wakali. Taas ang kamay ng gusto 8 to 5. Ang tawag dyan, o yan ang resulta doon nakaraang halalan. Mudslide. We are 7 to 4. We're okay? Kayong mahihiyang magpa-promote kasi wala kayong kakilala. Please. Wag. If you feel that you deserve it and you're due and it is merit, you have a city government who can see these things. Okay? Maliwanag ba? Oh, that's it for today. Mag-iingat kayo. Kailangan ko kayo. And I alone cannot do this on my own. I need each and every one of you. We have to come together. That includes our people. Because together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Manila! First, thank you.
Maraming salamat po, aming minamahal na Alkalde Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso. Muli, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating minamahal na Alkalde. Sa pagkakataon pong ito, meron po tayong mga donation coming from the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Association of the Philippines. Ang kanilang chairman, Mr. Zhao Shiping, honorary chairman, Mr. Vice Chairman, Mr. Jack Wang, Mr. Alexander Chua, and Ms. Vivian Ang, Youth Committee Vice Chairman, Ms. Sophia Tan, Youth Committee, Mr. Jerry Chua, Mr. Sunny San, Ms. Shirley Lamoon, Secretary, Mr. Peter Chua, and Chai Hong Yu, and the member Mr. Jindong Chai and Mr. Ling Ho. Sila po ay nag-donate sa atin ng Z500 model Kawasaki at ang mga uniforme pong suot-suot ngayon ng ating mga MTPB.
Itong Chinese preparation. Sino naman yung kasama ni Boss Wiley? Mga Chinese din.
Ang ating pong minamahal na lungsod ay magbibigay po ng Certificate of Appreciation para po sa atin pong mga kaibigan. Director Dennis Biahe. Muli po natin ang Federation of Filipino-Chinese Association of the Philippines, headed by their chairman, Mr. Zhao Shiping. Thank you so much. Federation of Filipino-Chinese Association of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Muli po sa lahat po ng ating pong mga empleyado ng Manila City Hall, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At simulan po natin ang ating Lunes ng may ngiti sa ating mga labi. Muli po maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at isang magandang umaga po.